Second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament powered by PLDT. February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace with special exhibition game between WB Sofia and Oragon All-Stars. February 7, 6 p.m. Ticket prices 30 pesos for regular game and 50 pesos for exhibition game. Presented by Sundays Hotel, Lemon Residences, Papatantan Apertel, Summit Sports Hub and Private Resort, Gold Trans BTF, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, NCF College of Health Sciences, University of Nueva Cáceres, Bisacol Outdoor Shop, Claypot Cafe, AAT Ads, DLP Printing Services, Jazz Tire Master, Soul Fleet Naga, Digital Graphics, SK Federation of Naga City, Midnight Society, Summit Hotels and Resorts, Go Hotels, Camsur Eye Center, Glass House Beach Resort, Safe Side Transport, Nelabahan Laundry Shop, 3M Bakery, Win Radio 107.9 Naga, Garden Cafe, El Chico Smokehouse, St. Jude Animal Bike Center, Carl's Catering, Warning Catering, Paraprint Digital Printing Services, Zona Uno, Taste of Spice, Tanshahan Foods, 101 Mall, Lotus Blue Hotel, CBD Plaza Hotel, and Ruffian's Tavern Bar and Lounge.
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation. But we refuse to accept that choice. At Naga College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive. From our dynamic programs in finance and business, to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education in the arts, we cover the entire spectrum of tomorrow's workforce. Here, you don't just become future ready, you become a worker with empathy, a leader who understands that technology must serve humanity. Choose the college that prepares you not just for the job, but for the world. The future is here at NCF. Enroll at Naga College Foundation. Let us build a brighter, kinder tomorrow.
Lemon Residences, official residence of the Second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament.
Marahay na Aldao Amando Cope College, participant in the Second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament here in Naga City. Dagos po kamo hindi sa Lemon Residences.
February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace with special exhibition game between WB Sofia and Oragon All-Stars. Get your tickets now.
Hey everyone! Welcome to NCF Basic Education.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have reached the final stretch of the Second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament, and the road to glory narrows today as only the strongest will remain. And also, the intensity is at its peak as the ACC Green Serpents in the semi-final action clash against the Guangming College Flying Dragons. Good day, Bicolanja, and we welcome you here in the UNC Sports Palace. I am Jasper Abante, your commentator, and with me is Nino Mendoza.
Alright, so again, Maraynaldo, mga Oragon, we are here to witness this battle between the ACC Serpents versus the Guangming College, and this is the semi-finals of the Second South Luzon Invitational Basketball League, and talagang nakikita natin na dire-diretso yung mga nagiging gitgita na laban. Yesterday it was NCF Tigers versus the Sea Lions, the anong college ngayon, basta sila yun sila na dire-diretso yung naging momentum ng NCF Tigers from their battle against the UNC Greyhounds up to their next match. Talagang dala-dala pa rin nila yung kanilang streak when it comes to their scoring. And let's see kung sinong mananaig dito sa semifinals match. Will the ACC still dominate this game, or will the Guangming College start their presence for this second South Luzon Invitational Basketball?
Yes, lalong-lalo na ninyo, magandang laban yung naghihintay sa atin dahil ang ating ACC Green Serpents, the champion for our Bukal Season 7 Seniors Division, and also Guangming College, malayo. Para sila malayo pinanggalingan, but then titingnan natin kung ano yung dapat patunayan, lalong-lalo na ng ating Bukal champion. And of course, yung ating top 1 for our second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament. Nako, kaabang-abang talaga tong laban natin ngayon ninyo dahil kilala natin itong lakas ng ACC Green Serpents. Well, this is their first game dito sa ating Invitational Basketball Tournament. But then our Guangming College talagang may pinatunayan na dito sa ating liga. Napakagandang standing 3-0, the undefeated for our second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament. Also, this live coverage is brought to you by Oragon Basketball League together with Oragon Sports TV, only here at GNN TV 48 Naga. And also, you can catch us live here at the UNC Sports Palace. Tuloy lang po kayo dito dahil napakagandang panahon ngayong Sunday na manood ng aksyon dahil malamig man ninyo sa labas, maulan man sa labas, pero yung init ngayon pa lang nararamdaman na natin dito sa ating UNC Sports Palace.
And the heat is really on for this battle between the two teams. And of course, malamig ang ating panahon na ulan-ulan, kaya we can utilize sa ating mga live stream platforms, our Facebook page, Oragon Sports TV. And of course, my YouTube and kami, JNN TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV. So sa ating mga live stream viewers, happy watching and thank you so much for supporting the second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament.
And balik tayo sa maglalaban ninyo. Nako, napakagandang laban talaga ito dahil ACC Green Serpents, kilala natin yung kanilang mga key players dito. We have Galvez, marami pa silang key players dito, but then parang kompleto sila ngayon maglaro for this game. And of course, Guangming Flying Dragons, napakagandang pinakita talaga. 4 na teams ang pinakitaan nila ng aksyon. Faith College, UNC Greyhounds, NCF Tigers, and of course yung Olivares.
The Olivares College.
Ating Guangming Flying Dragons. Talagang hindi nila ninyo sinayang yung biyahe nila all the way from Tagaytay dumayo dito sa Naga City para ipakita yung kanilang galing pagdating sa basketball.
And dagdag ko lang kanina, Jasper, gutom na gutom ako pagdating ko dito, pero buti na lang meron tayong breakfast from Cross Catering located at the Clubhouse Hardun Real de Naga Subdivision, Concepcion Grande, Naga City, and Soy Satay located at 43 Mayon Avenue, Corridor Street, Sierra Madre, Dayangdang, Naga City, Philippines. And our lunch, of course, Maswerte Foods, owned by Ms. Lorraine Ramos and Trian Bakery. Thank you so much for your support and your food, and busog na busog po ako pagdating ko dito. And to hear for some updates from the side of the ACC Serpents, we have our courtside reporter on the sidelines, Famke. Anong balita dyan?
Isang magandang araw, Oragons! Nandito pa rin tayo sa UNC Sports Palace para sa third and last day of our second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament. At para sa ating second semi-final game this morning, magtatapatan sa hardcourt ang Amando Cope College and the top 1 winner of our elimination round. Mga kaibigan, hindi lamang ito sukatan ng husay kundi basehan kung sino ang mas karapat-dapat. Ayon Famke Matosinio at ako ang makakasama ninyo upang maghatid ng maiinit na updates on the side of Amando Cope College. Pero bago ang lahat mga kaibigan, kasama natin ngayon ang assistant coach ng kanilang team. Walang iba kundi si Coach Drolan. Hello Coach Drolan, how are you feeling right now?
Okay naman po, okay naman ako. Masaya kami na makalaro po ulit dito sa Naga, sa Oragon's Oragon Basketball League.
Coach, so your team is the champion of the Bukal Season 7. Ngayon dito sa ating tournament, ano ba yung dapat naming abangan? Ano ba yung gustong patunayan ng ACC?
Unang-unang po, nagpapasalamat muna kami sa Oragon Basketball League na naimbitahan kami para makalaro po dito sa second South Luzon tournament. Ang ano lang namin is makikipaglaban kami na ilalaban namin yung kumbaga champion kami sa Bukal. Ipapakita namin yung kakayanan namin. Lalaban kami kahit sa ibang school, na malalaking school. Lalaban kami, ipapakita namin na ang kakayanan namin.
So coach, at this point, what is your message to your team? Ano po ba yung palagi mong paalala at sinasabi sa inyong mga players?
Ayun lang po. Ang mensahe ko lang para sa team namin, play basketball Serpents lang. Play with heart and pride, compete and enjoy the game lang.
Thank you very much, Coach. That would be all po. So once again, salamat sa coach ng kanilang koponan. Mula pa sa Tabaco City, Albay, handa na silang lumaban at makipagsagupaan. When we say Amando Cope College, they don't just own the ball, they own the game. Tutok lang dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Famke, on that update on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Kaabang-abang talaga yung laban ngayon na ninyo. Dahil narinig naman natin sa assistant coach nila na talagang makikipaglaban sila. Kumbaga, yung ACC Green Serpents, Bicol pride natin yan dahil Bukal champion and also representing Bicol region dito sa ating invitational basketball tournament. So magandang laban dahil makikipaglaban ang ating ACC Green Serpents hanggang sa kanilang makakaya.
And also yung difficulty ng ACC Serpents nung Bukal Season 7. They started from a standing na mahirap magbangon pero binawi nila slowly but surely until the end na makarating sila sa finals. And talagang mahigpit na teams din yung kalang nakatapat. Kaya we will expect na grabe talaga itong magiging performance ng ACC Serpents coming in from the championship title sa Bukal. And that was our Philippine National Anthem. Our game is about to start. The ACC Serpents versus the Guangming College. We can see that the lineup is evenly matched, but the center of Guangming College dito, talagang mahihirapan yung ACC Serpents to penetrate that paint with jersey number 35 on the 5 spot.
Let's see kung sino makakakuha dito ninyo ng first ball possession. Dahil kung sa height advantage, kuhang-kuha nitong ating Guangming College Flying Dragons. But itong ACC Green Serpents, kilala natin to. Small but terrible tong team na to.
It comes to the plays and strategies na lang talaga kung sinong lalamang dito sa ating two teams. And the ball is about to start. During the game of Guangming College yesterday, grabe rin yung kanilang pinakitang performance against the Fate Colleges. And evenly matched din yung kanilang lineup. Nagpapabilisan sila with the fast break points and the 3-pointers, but Guangming College nakapag-pull off. And sila yung nanalo to proceed to the semifinals of our second South Luzon Invitational Basketball League.
And the tip-off is on the side of the Guangming College Flying Dragons. One on the paint, and now jersey number 30 goes to the inside with that jump shot. Pero foul agad yung itatawag dito ng ating
Delian.
referees.
Risky play there coming in from jersey number 35 of the Guangming College. Muntikan pa siyang makapag hard fall. Buti na lang at naiwasan niya.
Baseline inbound here for the Flying Dragons. So let's see kung paano nila tatagusin yung depensa dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. But at this moment, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Casey Anchokya on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Casey, anong balita natin dyan?
Marahay na daw, Bicolandia. The hard work and the battles on the hard court have all led us to this moment, the semifinals of the second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament. This is your courtside reporter Casey Anchokya, bringing the heat from the sideline of Guangming College Flying Dragons. Nino and Jasper, in my pregame interview with Coach Julian, they shared that they are fully aware of the challenge ahead. They expect the Green Serpents to be a high-pressure opponent, but for the Flying Dragons, the game plan is to stay composed and play with proper discipline, just trusting their system and keeping their focus despite the stakes of a semi-final showdown. From the opening tip of the elimination round hanggang ngayon, these teams have proven that they deserve to stay and fight for a spot in the finals. So buckle up, basketball fans, because this semifinals matchup between the ACC Green Serpents and Guangming College Flying Dragons promises intensity and basketball at its finest. Kaya tutok lamang para sa bakbakan, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, for that update from the side of the Guangming College. And talagang pinaghirapan to ng Guangming College. Sila lang among the 4 teams ang nagkaroon ng 2-1 standing, being consistent throughout their game plan and ang kanilang offensive run. Yun yung nakikita kong nakapagtulong kung bakit nanalo yung Guangming College until the end. And habang nagsasalita ko, what a 3-pointer from jersey number 10 of the ACC Serpents to start the game. 3-0 our first score.
Hirap makalusot dito ninyo yung ating Guangming Flying Dragons. That's their first point on our first quarter. Pero 3 agad yung pinukoldo ng ating Green Serpents. And this time, jersey number 9 with the ball on the outside. Anso Galvez now penetrating the defense of the Guangming Dragons. Pero malakas. Hindi kayang tagusin itong si jersey number 35. But a traveling violation naman yung itatawag dyan ng ating referee. That's a missed opportunity to add up on their score.
Both teams mautak dito when it comes to their shot selection. They are not making unnecessary mistakes. And talagang they are using the high percentage chances and shots. No, John Nico Nagar to inbound the ball for the ACC Serpents.
Now, Buena Obra. No good on that shot. But an offensive rebound. And almost a 3-pointer for jersey number 10 of the Green Serpents now. 35. Sablay pa rin yung tira. Talagang maganda yung depensa nitong ACC Green Serpents. Hindi nakukuha yung dapat nilang gawin. But then jersey number 30 pupuntos ng 2 puntos dito on the side of the Flying Dragons.
Smart decision from the Flying Dragons using their center when it comes to scoring the points. And alam dito ng ACC Serpents na kailangan nilang bantayin yung center na meron dito ang Guangming College. And yun yung mahirap doon. Pag na-double team yung center ng Guangming College, of course may mga open na teammate sa kanila. Kaya nagiging madali yung pagpuntos ngayon ng Guangming. And look at that rebound. Third chance still for the Guangming College. Ball is still live.
Now, jersey number 9, but still, grabe, dami nilang dong chance ninyo. Pero, they failed to score. But then it's their ball possession again. Grabe. Sinundot lang ni Nagar yung bola. So let's see this time. Jersey number 7. What a 3 points again for the ACC Green Serpents.
2 consecutive 3-pointers yung kanilang ginawa dito. And the more points, less efforts for 3-point shots. Look at that, and one opportunity from jersey number 9, Lotivo. You can check the replay and nakita natin kung paano niya charging through those defense. And unsuccessful dito yung pag-prevent ng ACC Serpents na makapagkaroon ng momentum dito, yung Guangming College. Dire-diretso yung kanilang nagiging scoring for this game.
So let's see. 3 points play, opportunity, no good on that free throw by jersey number 9 of the Flying Dragons. Now, Obra struggling with that ball possession. And now jersey number 10, John Nico Nagar, no good on that shot. Sayang yung follow-up doon nitong si jersey number 7. Now Guangming Flying Dragons. Grabe. Lagi may kasabay na foul yung tira dito ng ating Flying Dragons. Well, yun yung kailangan iwasan ninyo nitong ating Green Serpents dahil mapapadalas dito yung opportunities ng Flying Dragons na makapuntos.
And the same player on the free throw line. It's
Yes.
his second charge to the basket. Same side on the right side actually, using the same move. And it's working for him. First free throw is good, extending their lead. Now to a point. With 5 minutes and 21 seconds remaining. The game having a slow start for these two teams. 4 minutes and 30 seconds lang nakalipas and we're still in a single-digit match. The Serpents, ano kaya ang kanilang gagawing offensive run dito para makabawi against the Dragons? Ball movement from the Serpents. Utilizing every player that they have on the court. Step back 3-pointer is good from jersey number 7 of the ACC Serpents. It's his second 3-pointer for this game. And nagsisimula pa lang ang ating laban. Nag-hit check na ang ating mga players dito from the ACC Serpents. Back-to-back threes. Now Guangming College fadeaway jumper, no good. ACC, a fast break opportunity, 3-2. Floater is good.
2 points for Galvez here. Napakagandang opensa yung pinapakita dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. And also their defense is so good. Hindi basta-basta nakakapasok dito yung ating Guangming College. Flying Dragons. And this time a foul. And a sideline inbound for the ACC Green Serpents. And the Guangming College Flying Dragons making a change here. Maganda yung pinapakita natin na laban ngayon.
A heated start for the two teams.
Now jersey number 5 with the ball. A good ball rotation here. Still on the outside. John Nico Nagar going to the inside. No good on that step back shot. Flying Dragons ngayon, gagawa ng opensa. Now jersey number 5 stops and pops for 3 and that's good for the Flying Dragons. Magandang opensa yon ninyo.
Hit check from Darren of the Guangming College. Kakapasok niya pala ang pinakitaan kagad ng 3-point shooting.
Deadlock tayo ngayon sa 11.
Look at
But
that. Body to body.
Jersey number 15 makakasungkit naman ng 2 puntos for the ACC Green Serpents, and a double dribble violation committed by jersey number 6 of the Guangming Flying Dragons. A very crucial error for our first quarter dahil 3 minuto na lamang yung natitira. 3 minutes and 22 seconds remaining.
To 11, 2 points ang kalamangan dito ng ACC Serpents with 6 seconds to shoot. Step back 3-pointer. This time no good for jersey number 7 of the Serpents. What a low post move. Using that footwork, foul was called. Chance for 2 points dito sa ating free throw line.
Losada on the free throw line for his 2 free throws. A chance to deadlock ulit. And that first shot was good. Dikit na dikit yung laban natin ninyo. For our first quarter, titingnan natin kung sino yung lalamang dahil mahaba-haba pa yung 2 minutes and 52 seconds.
And di masyadong umaagwat ang ating teams dito. Nagbabawian lang sila when it comes to scoring. And relax na relax ang ating players when it comes to their offensive run. Using their mind and making the right decisions for every defensive or offensive effort.
Grabe. Topasyo.
Man to man. And Nagar escaping through the defenders.
Now, John Nico Nagar, didiretso na dito. Pero matatawagan ng foul.
Beautiful
Foul
ball
here.
movement from the ACC Serpents using every
Yes.
vision na makikita nila.
Nakabawi rin itong ating ACC Green Serpents ng free throw dito ninyo.
Wala talagang lumalamang.
Tatabla na naman ata ito ni Nagar. So let's see. And that's good for the first shot of John Nico Nagar. Well, kung makikita natin ninyo, medyo konti yung viewers natin dito sa UNC Sports Palace kasi maulan. Maulan talaga sa labas. But then, quality top-tier basketball actions ang patuloy namin ihatid only here on Oragon Basketball League and of course, Oragon Sports TV.
Now, man-to-man defense pa rin ginagawang effort dito ng ACC Serpents. Maximizing their energy. Spin move, drive to the basket is good. Ang hilig dito ng JMC Dragons na gamitin yung right side ng ating court. And it's working for them. Whenever dun sila pinupresto, talagang nakakapag-convert sila ng mga puntos.
Now, jersey number 5, no good on that 3-pointer.
Natapos na yung sunod-sunod na 3 points ng ACC Serpents dito.
Titingnan natin ninyo kung ano naman yung gagawin nilang opensa dito dahil bantay sarado talaga sila pagdating sa 3-point shots nila. Now, jersey number 5, didiretso ngayon. Pero a good defensive rebound naman dito coming from jersey number 15 of the Green Serpents. Now, Galvez on the outside. Now, jersey number 5.
Grabe yung depensa dito ng Guangming College. And
Naubusan sila dito ninyo ng shot clock.
grabe yung pressure na dala dito ng Dragons when it comes to their defense. Talagang nahihirapan ng ACC makapagawa ng magandang desisyon.
And another foul here coming from jersey number 6 of the ACC Green Serpents, sending jersey number 61 of the Flying Dragons on the free throw line for his 2 free throws.
Penalty situation na dito ang ACC Serpents. First shot, no good. Still 2-point lead meron dito ng GMC Dragons. Extended to a 3-point lead with 37 seconds remaining. Nagar has the ball. Naghahanap ng open teammate. With 12 seconds left on the shot clock. Isolation play. Spin jumper is good. Now isang puntos ang kalamangan ng Guangming College and that fast break. Napalakas yung kanyang tira. 11 seconds left. Nagar has the ball. Looking for the best opportunity. 3 seconds. And naubos yung oras dito. Ending the first quarter 17-18. What a close fight that we have here. Guangming College and ACC Serpents pinapakita talaga yung kanilang best effort. Nagsisimula pala ang ating laban and both teams are getting fired up. Magbabalik tayo dito lamang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament, powered by PLDT. February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace with special exhibition game between WB Sofia and Oragon All-Stars. February 7, 6 p.m. Ticket prices, 30 pesos for regular game and 50 pesos for exhibition game. Presented by Sundays Hotel, Lemon Residences, Papatantan Apertel, Summit Sports Hub and Private Resort, Gold Trans BTF, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, NCF College of Health Sciences, University of Nueva Cáceres, Bisacol Outdoor Shop, Claypot Cafe, AAT Ads, DLP Printing Services, Jazz Time Master, Soul Fleet Naga, Digital Graphics, SK Federation of Naga City, Midnight Society, Summit Hotels and Resorts, Go Hotels, Camsur Eye Center, Glass House Beach Resort, Safeside Transport, Nalabahan Laundry Shop, 3M Bakery, Win Radio 107.9 Naga, Garden Cafe, El Chico Smokehouse, St. Jude Animal Bike Center, Carl's Catering, Warning Catering, Paraprint Digital Printing Services, Zona Uno, Taste of Spice, Tanshahan Foods, 101 Mall, Lotus Blue Hotel, CBD Plaza Hotel, and
we are back for the second quarter action. Still the ECC Green Serpents and the Guangming College Flying Dragons. Titingnan natin kung ano pa yung ipapakita nila. For our first quarter, isa lang yung naging kalamangan dito ng ating GMC Flying Dragons. And we also like to acknowledge the presence of the Naga College Foundation President. We have here Engineer Mario Villanueva nanunood dito sa ating UNC Sports Palace together with the other coaches of the Bicol Pride basketballs, yung basketball teams natin that joined Bukal and other tournaments dito sa Bicol region. And also 3 points yung unang puntos dito ng ating Green Serpents for our second quarter.
Starting the second quarter, taking the lead. Now Nagar, nagmamadali dito. Floater. Ball is tipped. Fast break opportunity here for the Guangming College. And the whistle blown by a referee is an end one opportunity.
Basket plus foul dito para kay jersey number 35.
Akinyede.
And the ACC Green Serpents making a change here. Deadlock tayo ngayon. Titingnan natin kung papalabangin ni Anki Niede yung kanilang team. No good on his free throw.
Deadlock 20 all. And the game is tight.
Pensa ngayon ng ACC Green Serpents. Now, foul ang itatawag dito ng ating referee. The jersey number 19 of the Flying Dragons.
Bosco will check in for the Dragons. Palit ni Surya. Ball rotation from the Serpents. No good on their play. What a steal. Serpents now. Fast break opportunity. Double pump fake.
Sayang yung opportunity nila doon. But another steal. Grabe. Maganda yung pinapakita dito ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, jersey number 10. Still no good. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Casey Anchoquia on the side of the GMC Flying Dragons. Casey, take it away.
Well, Nino and Jasper, talagang nagtatapatan itong ating dalawang kuponan ngayong umaga. Dikitan ng laban at halos nagpapalitan lang sila ng kalamangan. But on the side of Flying Dragons, the key now is composure. Staying calm under pressure, taking care of the ball at manatiling disiplinado sa bawat possession. This is what they need in order for them to stay competitive in this game. By the end of the first quarter nga ay nasa kanila ang kalamangan, and let's see if they can extend their gap against the Green Serpents for this second quarter. Yan muna sa ngayon. Balik sa inyo, Nina and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Casey, for that update from the side of the Guangming College. And talagang consistency yung kailangan ditong makuha ng GMC Dragons. And napapakita nila na they can really dominate this game. And ACC Serpents catching up. Head-to-head lang ang ating laban. Both teams using the fast break opportunities, their defensive stops, and then their three-pointers. Kaya match na match itong ating teams.
Now, ACC Green Serpents, jersey number 10 on the outside. A good screen sana, but then John Nico Nagar, 3 points. Napakagandang opensa naman ngayon ni John Nico Nagar for the ACC Green Serpents. Palitan lang ng kalamangan dito ninyo. Now, 3-pointer din yung sagot dito ng ating Flying Dragons, pero no good.
Nakita ko nga, Jasper, na ang ball rotation ng ating two teams parehas yung kanilang ginagawang plays. And sa ACC Serpents, ano kaya ang kanilang plano para makapagkamit ng malaking kalamangan dito? Malalaman natin yan with our courtside reporter on the sidelines. We have Famke ng balita dyan.
Sobrang tikit ng laban, mga kaibigan, at naging unpredictable ang team score. Push and standby, yan ang isinisigaw ni Coach Droland sa Green Serpents. Kailangan nilang i-priority ang depensa, system at i-secure ang bawat puntos dahil kahit first quarter, mga kaibigan, every second counts. Nagtapos sa score na 17-18 in favor of Guangming. Matapatan at mahabol kaya ito ng ACC o tuluyang aarangkada ang kabilang koponan. Huwag na huwag kayong bibitiw dahil susunod na ang second quarter. Sabay-sabay nating alamin ang magiging kapalaran ng Amando Cope College. Dito lang yan sa 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament. Yan na muna ang update dito. Balik sa inyo, Jasper and Nino.
Thank you so much, Famke, on that update from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Napakagandang action na talaga yung nakikita natin dito sa ating second quarter dahil binabawasan itong ating ACC Green Serpents yung chances dito or yung opportunities dito ng Flying Dragons dahil sa kanilang depensa. And now, jersey number 11 on the free throw line. That is Bonaobra. And his first free throw was good. And for his second free throw, that is jersey number 7, Beltran, not Benaobra. Now Flying Dragons has the ball possession this time. Papasukin ngayon ni jersey number 1, but no good on that shot. Magandang depensa. Dalawa yung nakabantay doon ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, jersey number 18 on the outside. Almost losing that ball, pero ayun na nga. Turnover yung nangyari dito. 25-22 is our score. 3 puntos po yung kalabangan ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents.
Walang nakakuha ng dire-diretsong puntos dito galing sa ating teams. And now, the GMC creating a play here using his body, hammering through that defense. Ngayon na pasabit ng foul.
Tatawagan ngayon dito ng foul si Coderes.
And ang kailangan gawin dito ng GMC Dragons is gamitin nila si Akinyede. Kasi look at that height advantage that he has.
Yes. And that first free throw of jersey number 23 is good.
Beautiful follow through coming from jersey number 23 of the GMC. ACC Serpents, 5 minutes and 34 seconds remaining for the quarter. Ball rotation is on. With 8 seconds left to shoot. Fake over Akinyede. No good on that shot.
Taas sana nung talon dito ni Abiera, pero no good on his shot. Now Flying Dragons, let's see. Jersey number 23, 4 yung bantay, pero foul yung itatawag dito ng ating referee coming from jersey number 7, Beltran. And another free throw opportunity for Basco, jersey number 23 of the Flying Dragons. Madalas talaga yung foul nitong ating Green Serpents. Nasa warning for penalty situation na sila. Pero mahaba pa ninyo yung oras natin for our second quarter. We still have 4 minutes and 59 seconds.
Kailangan ditong iwasan ng ACC Serpents na makarating sa penalty situation because look at the free throws of Guangming College. Talagang pasok kung pasok.
Yes.
Kahit pa piso-piso, kapag nahayaan nilang dire-diretso yung free throws na ginagawa dito ng GMC, mahihirapan sila dito.
And the Flying Dragons making a change here. Now, baseline inbound of the ACC Green Serpents. Mahigpit ang depensa na yung ginagawa ngayon ng Flying Dragons para yata magtuloy-tuloy yung kanilang opportunities dito. But then jump shot by jersey number 10 was good. Abiera on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Jump shot again. On the side naman ngayon dito ng Guangming College, pero no good. Ayun na nga yung sinasabi natin ninyo. Penalty situation na tayo.
Mahihirapan dito ang ACC Serpents kapag continuous yung naging free throws dito ng GMC College. And of course, jersey number 23 of the Dragons, Basco. Look at that free throw shooting. Ringless. Narinig natin yung swoosh ng kanyang free throws, kaya delikado ito for the ACC Serpents. Two out of two on the free throw line. Basco pretty consistent on his form.
Now, 5 seconds violation naman yung itatawag dito sa ACC Green Serpents, and a timeout has been called on the side of the Guangming College Flying Dragons. Siguro mas papaigtingin pa nila ninyo yung gagawin nilang depensa dito dahil lamang sila ng isa, and pati sa opportunities lamang sila dito. So titingnan din natin yung gagawin dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents, kung paano nila tatapatan yung opensa at depensa nitong ating Flying Dragons, kasi mahaba-haba pa yung oras na natitira for our second quarter.
And kahit di masyadong lumalamang dito yung GMC Dragons, the pressure is on the ACC Serpents kasi nakikita nila na iba na yung energy ng Dragons dito.
Yes.
Back-to-back charge to, from the right side of the court, and dinediretso ng GMC Dragons, walang takot. And nakita dito ng Serpents na palagi silang nakakapasabit ng foul from their players. Kaya let's see kung anong proper adjustments ang ipapakita dito ng ating Serpents. And GMC Dragons tumawag ng timeout to enhance kung anong ginagawa nilang sistema for this second quarter of our match.
Yes. So let's see as we continue the action in our second quarter. Baseline inbound naman dito para sa Flying Dragons dahil 5 seconds violation nga yung nangyari kanina dun sa ating ACC Green Serpents. And now, almost an alley-oop play pero slam dunk yung ginawa dito ni jersey number 35, Anquiñede. Grabe.
Starting the energy from the GMC Dragons. Siguro yun yung pinano dito ng coach ng GMC Dragons.
And 3-point naman para dito kay jersey number 10 of the ACC Green Serpents. Deadlock ulit tayo sa 30 ninyo. And no good on that shot. And that's a 2 points pala on that last shot by jersey number 10 of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, jersey number 18 going to the inside. And another 3-pointer but no good this time para naman sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, Flying Dragons, jersey number 30, papasok ngayon. Grabe, ang daming dinaanan doon. Second chance para dito sa Flying Dragons, pero talagang pasok na yung mga tira dito ni jersey number 35, Anquiñede.
Ginagawa na ngayon ng GMC yung sinasabi ko kanina, they need to utilize their tall players against the ACC Serpents with that height advantage.
Malakas kasi sila sa offensive rebound, pero nagagamit naman nila maayos. No good on that shot by jersey number 7, Beltran. And now, grabe,
play.
napakagandang play coming from jersey number 26 and jersey number 30. Kaya naman agad na patawag ng timeout. Look at this instant replay. Wow. Look at that connection. Look at that play.
Nakakita dito ng height advantage ang GMC.
Yes.
And ito na yung strategy na gagamitin nila throughout this game. And how will the ACC Serpents handle it defensively? And paano kaya sila babawi dito when it comes to their offense, because GMC Dragons dire-diretso na yung kanilang nagiging pagpuntos, and the momentum is on their side. Pressure
Yes.
is on the Serpents. Ano kaya ang magaganap dito? May oras pa naman before the second quarter and our first half ends. So with 2 minutes and 49 seconds remaining, GMC having the 5-point lead.
Titingnan natin kung patuloy na yung pag-angat ninyo ng kalamangan ng ating Flying Dragons. Kung patuloy na nilang i-dominate yung ating second quarter. Now, going back to the ball game. Jersey number 8 for the baseline inbound ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Mahigpit na depensa. A man-to-man defense ang ginagawa dito ng ating Guangming Flying Dragons, pero matatawagan dito ng foul itong si jersey number 19. With 16 seconds shot clock for the ACC Green Serpents. Now, sideline inbound, Galvez to Nagar. Kit Benaobra. Diretso ngayon. Grabe. Kakapasok lang nun ni Kit Benaobra, pero 3 points play opportunity agad yung ginawa niya dito. Basket plus foul. Napakagandang spin jump naman nun.
Look at the energy ngayon ng ACC Serpents. Alam nilang babawi na sila.
Yes.
For this remaining 2 minutes of our game.
And that free throw was good by Kit Benaobra. Effective yung timeout nila dito ninyo.
Energy is on. Look at the full court defense dito ng ACC Serpents. Hindi na sila magpapatalo.
Yes.
And they are willing to snatch the momentum from the Dragons. Now, flashy pass. What a block.
Napakagandang block naman by Galvez Benaobra. Libreng-libre pero sayang yung tira niya doon. But then, second shot. Grabe, sayang yung opportunity na doon. Now, Flying Dragons.
Great job on the defense dito ng GMC.
Yes.
Preventing any shots.
Nakuha sana ni Galvez yung bola doon, but then foul coming from Beltran. Penalty situation to free throw for jersey number 5 of the Flying Dragons. Sayang. But titingnan natin yung free throws dito ni jersey number 35. Lalong-lalo na dalawa na lang yung lamang nila dito, and a chance to extend to 4 points here.
Free throws will be made by the GMC Dragons. 35-32 our score. Still in favor for the GMC.
And the Flying Dragons making a change here. Beltran for that baseline inbound. Now, Benaobra nagdadalang ng bola for the ACC Green Serpents. Now, Beltran on the outside. Jersey number 15. John Nico Nagar. Pops for 3 and that's good on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Magandang bawi naman yung ginawa dito ni John Nico Nagar. And now, Guangming Flying Dragons almost losing that ball. Pero foul na naman yung itatawag dito ng ating referees. Jersey number 9 to jersey number 9. Grabe.
And the officials will call a review.
Yes, titingnan natin. Magkakaroon muna tayo ng officials replay or review kung talagang foul yung nangyari doon.
Nakikita natin dito yung gigil ang meron ng ACC Serpents to get the energy.
So i-review ng ating officials kung excessive nga ba yung foul natin doon. Well, armas din itong ating ACC Green Serpents, si John Nico Nagar. Almost playing for their team, I think more or less 3 years or 3 consecutive years naglalaro itong si John Nico Nagar for the ACC Green Serpents.
The future is bright for Nagar.
Yes.
Player na nasa kanya talaga lahat ng package from being a point guard to a
Yes.
scorer.
Full package niyan si Nagar.
And yung unique talagang distinction kay Nagar is his mentality when he's in the court. Talagang naapektuhan dito yung kanyang team. And when he is moving the ball around for the team, they execute an amazing offense for the ACC Serpents. And look at the replay. It was an unsportsmanlike foul.
Excessive yung pagtapik doon ni Nagar, and that will be an unsportsmanlike foul for him. Buti na lang nandyan yung ating Oragon Sports TV para sa ating
Replay.
yes, napakagandang replay, napakalinaw ninyo, kitang-kita.
And,
1 minute and 19 seconds remaining for our first half. Ball possession pa rin ngayon ng ating Flying Dragons. Jersey number 23 for that sideline inbound to 26. Libreng-libre on that 3-point shot but no good. And now Beltran for that defensive rebound to John Nico Nagar. Muntik pang makapasok yung
Assist na sana
pagsundot
yun.
dito ni jersey number 8, Pareñas. Grabe.
Pareñas, tutulungan sana dito yung ACC Serpents. Muntik pang pumasok ng kanyang tira, and look at that, another fast
Yes.
break fast break play for the GMC Dragons.
Natawagan nga dito ng
Warning.
technical foul. I mean warning for technical foul for improper bench decorum itong ating ACC Green Serpents. And the ACC Green Serpents making a change here.
Sa ating sponsors, for the food sponsors for this day, our breakfast, Carl's Catering, located at the Clubhouse Sardin Riel, the Naga Subdivision, Concepcion Grande, Naga City, and Soy Satay, 43 Mayon Avenue Corridor, Sierra Madre, Dayangdang, Naga City, Philippines. And for our lunch, Maswerte Foods, owned by Miss Lorraine Ramos, 3N Bakery. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkain. Lahat kami, media team, the volunteers, and the statistics, lahat nabusog for these foods. Thank you so much po. Timeout called by the ACC Serpents with 55 seconds remaining for the second quarter. 35-37, still in favor of the GMC. Alam dito ni Coach from the side of the ACC Serpents na kahit hindi masyadong lumalamang yung GMC Dragons, the energy and momentum yung kailangan nilang pigilan.
Yes.
A smart move from their end.
Titingnan natin kung paano dodominahin ng ating ACC Green Serpents yung natitirang 55 seconds dito sa ating first half.
Both teams talagang makikita mo na they are on another level.
Yes.
Hindi masyadong umaagwat, walang lumalamang. Wala pa tayong nakikita ang double-digit lead for this game.
Wala. I think the biggest lead for this game is, if I'm not mistaken, 5.
5 points lang.
Yes.
And nakahabol ka agad ito ng ating mga teams.
Napakagandang laban. For sure ninyo yung mga viewers natin na sa kanilang bahay napapahawak sa inuupuan nila dahil sa intensity ng laban na to. Grabe, talagang napakaganda.
And mention ko lang dito, Nagar from the ACC Serpents, kapag hinihingi niya yung bola from his teammates, talagang itinitiwala nila.
Yes.
Kahit medyo alanganin dito si Nagar kasi they know na Nagar can convert it into an amazing offense.
Now, Galvez for that baseline inbound. Buenaobra. Diretso ngayon, Buenaobra. Diretso na, Buenaobra.
And there's a
Wow.
basket.
3 points play opportunity. Grabe.
Coast to coast.
Napakagandang tira. This is the second time Kit Buenaobra making a 3 points play opportunity. Let's take a look once again. Pagkapasa sa kanya ni Galvez, tagang diniretso niya na. Lucky bounce pa ngayon nangyari doon kay Kit Buenaobra.
Iniwanan niya yung kanyang bantay. Tapos
Yes.
sinalubong pa yung dalawang jumpers for that defense.
And that 3-point play was good.
Lumang na dito ngayon ang ACC Serpents. With 46 seconds remaining. Dalawang possession pa to. Pwede pang 3. GMC.
Now, jersey number 8, no good on that 3-pointer. John Nico Nagara with that defensive rebound. Didiretso ngayon. Sayang yung opportunity nila doon. Out of bounds ng ACC Green Serpents. Full possession ngayon ng ating Flying Dragons.
Full court defense sa ACC Serpents, trying to pressure the offense ngayon ng Guangming College. Basco no good on that 3-pointer. 11 seconds left on the shot clock. Ooh, what a move. And converted with 4 seconds remaining. Nagar, nag-iisip kung kanino ipapasa ang bola. And that is it for our first half and the second quarter of our game. The score is 37-all. We are tied. Grabe dito yung ginagawang performance.
Yes.
39 to 38 pala ang ating score. And gitgitan ang nagiging labanan. GMC Dragons pulling off this 1-point lead. And let's see. Anong i-expect natin mamaya lamang dito sa Uragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament, powered by PLDT. February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace with special exhibition game between WB Sofia and Oragon All-Stars. February 7, 6 p.m. Ticket prices, 30 pesos for regular game and 50 pesos for exhibition game. Presented by Sundays Hotel, Lemon Residences, Papatantan Apertel, Summit Sports Hub and Private Resort, Gold Trans BTF, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, NCF College of Health Sciences, University of Nueva Cáceres, Bisacol Outdoor Shop, Claypot Cafe, AAT Ads, DLP Printing Services, Jazz Time Master, Soul Fleet Naga, Digital Graphics, SK Federation of Naga City, Midnight Society, Summit Hotels and Resorts, Go Hotels, Cancer Eye Center, Glass House Beach Resort, Safe Side Transport, Nelabahan Laundry Shop, 3M Bakery, Win Radio 107.9 Naga, Garden Cafe, El Chico Smokehouse, St. Jude Animal Bike Center, Carl's Catering, Warning Catering, Paraprint Digital Printing Services, Zona Uno, Taste of Spice, Tanshahan Foods, 101 Mall, Lotus Blue Hotel, CBD Plaza Hotel, and Ruffian's Tavern Bar and Lounge.
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation, but we refuse to accept that choice. At Naga College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive. From our dynamic programs in finance and business to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education in the arts, we cover the entire spectrum of tomorrow's workforce. Here, you don't just become future ready, you become a worker with empathy, a leader who understands that technology must serve humanity. Choose the college that prepares you not just for the job, but for the world. The future is here at NCF. Enroll at Naga College Foundation. Let us build a brighter, kinder tomorrow.
Lemon Residences, official residence of the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament.
Marahay na aldaw Amando Cope College, participant in the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament here in Naga City. Dagos po kamo hindi sa Lemon Residences.
February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace, with special exhibition game between WB Sofia and Oragon All-Stars. Get your tickets now.
Hey everyone! Welcome to NCF Basic Education Department, where we're not just learning,
we're changing the game. First stop, the library. Oh wait, this isn't your typical library.
Nope. Here at NCF, the library is a vibe, a space for collab, creativity, and discovery. Changing the game?
Absolutely. Now these are our science labs. We've got the junior high school bio lab, plus the physics, chem, and bio labs. And if Marvel needs their next genius, they can start here with us, the Tigers.
Because here, science isn't just taught, it's changing the game.
Tiger techies and creators. This is our playground, the computer and TLE labs.
Coding, designing, building. This is where Tigers turn ideas into reality. Another way we're changing the game.
Hungry? Our cafe's got everything to power our day.
And our comfort rooms, clean, safe, and Tiger-proof.
Small details, big impact. Another way we're changing the game. Us Tigers aren't just fierce inside the classroom, but also on the court.
Basketball, volleyball, swimming, and more. Our sports facilities bring out the athlete in every Tiger.
And when we play, it's not just a game. We're changing the game.
Need help? Our admin team's got your back always.
Every building here at NCF, built to inspire.
And beyond classrooms, these innovative learning spaces spark creativity, teamwork, and Tiger pride.
And here's something we're absolutely proud of. We're LASSO accredited.
A mark of excellence in high-quality education.
Audio preview.
So whether you're into books, science discoveries, sports excellence, innovation, or any other collaboration that will boost your learning,
NCF Tiger Basic Education Department will take you to a future that's fierce, exciting, game-moving, and puts you ahead of the game.
this is Naga College Foundation Basic Education Department, changing the game.
Papatantan Apartel, official residents of the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament.
Marhay na Aldao Olivares College, Parañaque City. Participant in the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament here in Naga City. Dagos po kamo hindi sa Papatantan Apartel.
February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace with special exhibition game between WB Sofia and Oragon All-Stars. Get your tickets now. Your quest begins with a single step, where passion meets purpose, and learners become leaders. This is where champions in healthcare are made, with AI-powered, world-class, real-life simulating laboratories, top-tier clinical instructors, healthcare industry innovation-focused curriculum, and skills management. The Naga College Foundation College of Health Sciences is your premier choice in excellent healthcare education. Change the game. Be a champion. Summit Sports Hub and Private Resort.
And we are back on the second half of action. Still here at the UNC Sports Palace. Pakbakan pa rin ng ating ACC Green Serpents and the Guangming College Flying Dragons with a 1-point lead ng ating Flying Dragons on the first half. So aabangan at titingnan natin yung mga gagawin nila for our second half of action. And this time, maaagawan agad dito ng bola ng ating ACC Green Serpents ng ating Flying Dragons. 39-38 ang ating iniwang score. This time, titingnan natin kung ano yung mga pinaghanda nila on that halftime break. No good on that jump shot by Kit Benaobra of the ACC Green Serpents. Now the Flying Dragons making an offense here. Jersey number 30 for that 3-point shot, but no good. Jersey number 15 securing that defensive rebound. Jan Nico Nagar naabangan doon. Nako, traveling yung itinawag ng ating referee. Sayang yung tira dito ni Jan Nico Nagar.
Maganda sana, kaso napasobra yung kanyang apak.
Sayang. Now turn over here for the GMC Flying Dragons. Natividad on the outside. Well guarded here by Nagar. Grabing depensa yon.
Look at that defense from Nagar. Fast pass. Whistle blown by our referees. Jersey number 30. Natapik yung kanyang katawan dito. First shot no good for the GMC. And now the ACC Serpents trailing the game by 2 points. Ano kaya ang kanilang gagawin dito sa ating second half? Magkakaroon ba sila ng magandang momentum or energy? Para malaman natin kung anong plano dito ng ACC Serpents, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter on the sidelines. We have Famke. Floor is yours.
Pinahihirapan pero mas tumitibay at lumalaban. That's the spirit of Green Serpents. Strong and venomous. Every dribble, every pass, and every shoot, talagang merong pinatutunayan ng ACC. On the other hand, naghahabulan pa rin sila ng puntos ng Guangming College. Kaya sabi ni Coach Drolan, they need to communicate inside the hard court at kapag na-steal na ang bola ay huwag tumitig lang. Try to attack and be strategic. Lusutan ang dapat lusutan, utakan ang dapat utakan. Kaya naman mga kaibigan, alamin ang mga susunod na kaganapan. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Yan na muna ang update dito. Balik sa inyo, Jasper and Ninyo.
Thank you so much, Famke, on that update from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Nako, talagang kailangan utakan nila dito. Ang dapat utakan, which is the GMC Flying Dragons, dahil lamang pa rin ang ating Flying Dragons dito. So, kumbaga, magka-turnover man sila ninyo, agad na nababawi dito ang ating Flying Dragons. And this time, John Nico Nagar. Double dribble violation. Ako, napapadalas dito yung errors itong Sinagar on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And yun yung kailangan pa nilang bawasan dito sa ating second half of action.
Sunod-sunod dito yung nagiging turnover ng ACC Serpents with a tight defense na ginagawa ng GMC Dragons. Nakita kagad nila kung anong ginagawa dito ng Serpents. And nabanggit ko nga kanina that these two teams halos parehas ang kanilang playstyle, using their vision, using every player that they have, and talagang match na match itong ACC Serpents and the Guangming College.
Yes. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter KC on the side of the GMC Flying Dragons. KC, anong update natin dyan?
Nino and Jasper, the Flying Dragons, are up to a smart gameplay this second half. With their good performance earlier, they're clearly building on that momentum, but what stands out the most is their patience. Hindi sila nagmamadali, they're picking the right shots, moving the ball well, and making sure every possession counts. But of course, in order for them to build their lead, kailangan nilang higitan ang ipinapakitang performance ng Green Serpents. As long as they stay composed and disciplined on both ends of the floor, they put themselves in a strong position to control the tempo and respond to any trouble the Green Serpents might throw their way. Yan muna sa ngayon. Balik sa inyo, Nino and Jasper.
Thank you, Casey, for that update from the side of the Guangming College. And tamang-tama nga dun sinabi mo, their tempo. Kailangan lang ditong i-maintain and the consistency throughout their shots. Not making any unnecessary mistakes. And of course, i-avoid nila yung mga turnovers from the defense ng ACC Serpents dito. And look at that putback from the Guangming. Whistle blown by referees on that transition.
Natawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 8 ng GMC Flying Dragons. Well, kung hindi gaano kalakas yung opensa nitong ating ACC Green Serpents, hindi rin pwede nating sabihin ninyo na mahina rin yung kanilang depensa dahil hindi rin naman nakakalayo ng malayo itong ating Flying Dragons. Kumbaga makalamang sila 3 puntos, 4 na puntos. Pero hindi lumalamang ng like yung sinasabi mo kanina, double digit na lamang.
Oo. And makita natin na both teams kasi when it comes to scoring and their defense, on par sila with each other. Walang masyadong umagwat.
Jersey number 15, 3 points para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Grabe, muntik pa sila dun, maubusan ng shot clock. And a traveling violation naman yung nangyari dito kay jersey number 30, Jamias of the GMC Flying Dragons.
Ayun na yung hinahanap na momentum dito ng ACC Serpents.
Yes,
umuunti na. Kunti-kunting nakikita yung spark and the energy from the team.
Titingnan natin na ninyo kung magtutuloy-tuloy na yan. Now, jersey number 11, Buena Obra, almost losing that ball, but there is Galvez para isalba yung bola, but no good on his 3-point shot, and a foul coming from jersey number 15. 42-41, isang puntos po yung lamang dito. Change of favor tayo dito para sa ACC Green Serpents, but it's the ball possession of the Flying Dragons. Now jersey number 8, tatawid ngayon dito ng bola, but masusungkit yan ni Galvez. ACC Green Serpents, foul coming from jersey number 8 of the Flying Dragons. Magandang opportunity ito for the Green Serpents, sending Galvez on the free throw line for 2 free throws.
And free throws will be made by Galvez. And this league will not happen without our sponsors. For JNN Second South Luzon Invitational Basketball League, presented by Sundays Hotel, Lemon Residences, Papa Tenton Apartel, Summit Sports Hub and Private Resort, WB Sophia and Gold Trans BTS, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, NCF College of Health Sciences, University of Nueva Cáceres, Bisacol Outdoor Shop, Claypot Cafe, DLP Printing Services, AT Eds, Jazz Star Masters, Soul Flip Naga, Digital Graphics, KD Sportswear and Apparel, SK Federation of Naga City. Maraming salamat po sa inyong support and for making this event happening.
Now, GMC Flying Dragons, ayan naman, jersey number 35, but then sayang yung opportunity niya doon. Now, Green Serpents, Galvez on the outside, 3-point shot, no good. Flying Dragons naman ngayon.
Fast break opportunity, what a big screen.
Ang ganda ng screen doon ni Akinyede.
Belong-belo yung naging layup niya.
Yes. Green Serpents again. Nag-aara on the outside. Buena Obra. 3 points!
Ringless yung 3-pointer doon.
Wow! Clean basket para dito kay Kit Buena Obra. Ako talagang noted to sa 3-point son itong si Kit Buena Obra.
When he gets a good look, he will take it and score the point for the ACC.
Grabe! Napakagandang pangyayari doon. Let's take a look once again at our instant replay. Nakuha ni jersey number 30 yung bola. Diretso tira. May kasama pang foul. Napakagandang play naman doon for the Guangming College.
Nag-collapse doon yung communication from the Serpents and
Yes.
nakita dito ng Guangming College.
Tingnan mo yung puntos kanina ng ACC Green Serpents. Medyo matagal nilang inipon, pero chance to lessen the gap to 1 point nitong ating Flying Dragons.
Substitutions will be made for the teams. Chance to convert this into a 3-point play. Here's number 30 of the Guangming College. And one. Now the ACC Serpents with 4 minutes and 56 seconds sa ating third quarter. Will they be able to pull up momentum for their team? Spin move, extra pass for that easy bucket is good.
Wow!
Bumabalik
Good shot.
na.
Yes.
Chemistry and energy dito ng ACC Serpents, and you can see their faces, they're smiling. Yun yung kailangan dito ng ACC Serpents. Kailangan nilang mapagaan yung kanilang energy. Now, a fast break opportunity for the ACC. Nagar has the ball, looking for the best option here. Behind the back, extra pass. Long 3-pointer.
Another 3
Look at
points.
that good look from Nagar.
Wow! Jan Nico Nagar fires again for that three-pointer. And that is good. Magandang bawi naman on the side of the Guangming College Flying Dragons, courtesy of jersey number 30. Grabing layup naman yun. Patalikod pa yung pagdali niya nung layup doon ninyo.
Talagang answer back kagad para walang mangyaring dire-diretsong tira for the Serpents. Nagar again for that kick-out pass. Three-pointer, no good. Whistle blown by referees. A foul called on that box out.
Well, kailangang ingatan itong ating ACC Green Serpents, itong si jersey number 15. Dahil meron na siyang 4 na personal fouls. Magpapapalit muna dito si jersey number 15 of the ACC Green Serpents. 52-48. Titingnan natin yung ibababaya ni Akinyede. And that first free throw was good on the side of the GMC Flying Dragons. 3 minutes and 32 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Magandang laban na yung pinapakita dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. No good on that second free throw by Akinyede. Now, jersey number 14, 3 points again for the Green Serpents. Grabe, sunod-sunod na yun ninyo.
Back-to-back 3-pointers from their end. Maririnig natin ang energy dito ng ACC Serpents.
Mainit na yung kamay nila dito para sa tres. And cold hands naman dito para sa Guangming College dahil medyo nahihirapan na yung pagpuntos nila ng dos dito. Now, Jan Nico Nagar, no good on that jump shot. Jersey number 1, di diretso, maraming bantay. Muntik pang maagawan ng bola, but then no good on that shot by jersey number 5. Sayang yung 3-pointer doon ni 61 Topacio. And this time, it's their chance pa rin, pero traveling na yung itatawag dito ng ating referee. Napakagandang opportunity to ninyo para sa ACC Green Serpents na magpatuloy yung kanilang momentum at i-dominate na yung ating third quarter.
Ang daming nangyari dun from that possession.
Yes. Napakagandang laban pa rin.
2 minutes and 25 seconds remaining and ACC pulling off with a 6-point lead.
Benaobra to Galvez. Now Galvez, heavily guarded. Traveling, sayang yung belong-belo doon itong si Benaobra for that 3-pointer.
Gagawa na sana ng play and rotation. Pero
yes, napakagandang minagnet ni Galvez yung depensa doon eh. Kinuha niya yung depensa para maging libre doon si Benaobra. This time, Flying Dragons. Darden to jersey number 13. Topacio libre ngayon dito. And 3 points naman ang gagawing sagot dito ni Topacio on the side of the Flying Dragons. Magandang bawi naman yun on their side. Benaobra once again loses the ball.
quick feed from the ACC Serpents, snatching it pero nakuha agad ng GMC Dragons. And now ACC again has the ball. 2 opportunities, walang na-convert dito from the Flying Dragons. Now ACC Serpents, what will be their next move? Drive to the basket by Benaobra. Kick out pass. Ooh, beautiful fancy play.
Pero sayang.
Napalakas yung kanyang tira.
Yes. Napakaganda sana nun. This time, Flying Dragons, Darden fakes and goes to the inside and the basket count.
Converted.
Para dito kay Darden of the Guangming College.
Through those defenders, now 53 seconds for the third quarter.
Isang puntos na lang yung lamang dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Benaobra.
No time for complacency dito para sa both teams kasi whenever they're scoring, nahahabol kagad ng kanilang ng ating mga teams.
Natawagan dito ng foul, jersey number 1, Pecolera on the side of the GMC Flying Dragons. Baseline inbound ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents, jersey number 14. May pagsundot dito. Pecolera on the side of the Flying Dragons. 35 seconds remaining on our third quarter. Now Galvez.
With 5 seconds left, heavily guarded here by the GMC. Galvez, extra pass. And yun, naubos yung oras dito ng ating Serpents. Great job on the Flying Dragons, tightening their defense and not allowing the ACC Serpents to rotate the ball.
Yes. Now, Topacio magtatawid ngayon ng bola for the Flying Dragons. Nagmamadali dito. Sayang yung pakonekta niya sana to jersey number 13. But then, the same ball possession dito for the Flying Dragons. 16 seconds shot clock here. And they are making a change. Now jersey number 1 for that baseline inbound. Akinyede, heavily guarded. No good on that three-pointer.
So short.
Now, 10 seconds remaining. No good on that three-pointer by jersey number 5.
3 seconds remaining on the shot clock and game clock for our third quarter. Timeout called by the coach of ACC Serpents. Let's see kung anong gagawing play dito ng Serpents for this last 4 seconds.
Titingnan natin kung ano yung game plan nila dito sa ating 3 segundong natitira dito sa ating third quarter. 55-54 kanina, naging 4 na yung lamang nitong ating ACC Green Serpents. Pero binawi ka agad nitong ating Flying Dragons. First quarter lamang yung ating Flying Dragons, second quarter sila pa rin. So let's see kung sila pa rin dito sa ating third quarter. But it's the ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents.
Hindi natin malaman kung sino
Yes.
ang lalamang for this game. ACC and GMC, promising teams, hindi pinapalayo
Yes.
ang kanilang pagpuntos. Talagang whenever nakikita nila na 5 points na yung kalamangan, they are going to try their best para habulin ito.
Bilog ang bola ninyo. 3 seconds.
An
Let's
exciting
see.
match it is.
Now jersey number 18 for that baseline inbound. 3 seconds. Sayang yung game plan nila doon.
2 chances na di
Yes.
nakapapasok.
Sayang yung connection doon ni jersey number 6 and jersey number 8. And that's the end of our third quarter. 55-54 is our score. Lamang po ngayon ang ating ACC Green Serpents ng 1 puntos. Don't go away because we'll be right back for the fourth quarter of action only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament, powered by PLDT. February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace with special exhibition game between WB Sofia and Oragon All-Stars. February 7, 6 p.m. Ticket prices, 30 pesos for regular game and 50 pesos.
And we are back for the fourth and final quarter of action. ACC Green Serpents nga yung nakakuha ng isang puntos na kalamangan dun sa ating third quarter. So let's see, dahil it's the last quarter of action, titingnan natin ninyo kung magkakaroon tayo ng overtime match or kung tatapusin na ng ACC or ng GMC Flying Dragons yung laban dito sa ating fourth quarter. So expect na mas intense yung labanan natin dito sa ating fourth quarter. Now ACC Green Serpents ngayon may hawak ng bola, jersey number 10 on the outside. Galvez to Beltran. No good on that two-pointer. Still no good. Pero hindi pumayag doon. Sabi ni ACC, hindi pwede, walang puntos. No good on that slam by Akinyede. Balik sa ACC yung bola. Grabe, napakaganda ng laban natin ninyo. Now jersey number 10 to John Nico Nagar. 5-second shot clock. No good on that three-pointer. John Nico Nagar with that offensive rebound. Grabe, talaga hindi sila pumapayag na hindi sila makapuntos dito sa kanilang mga opensa. Now let's see, GMC Flying Dragons, anong gagawin dito? Dire-diretso naman si jersey number 30 pero wala pa rin yung kanilang opensa dito. And napalakas yung pasa nitong si jersey number 11 Benaobra. Now jersey number 9 Flying Dragons making an offense here. And naging libre pa doon itong si jersey number 30. 59-56 is our score. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Casey on the side of the GMC Flying Dragons. Casey, take it away.
We are now down on the fourth and final quarter, Nino at Jasper, at consistent pa rin ang performance ng parehong koponan. Walang gustong magpatalo and every possession is being fought for. But right now, for the Flying Dragons, it's all about keeping their minds in the right frame. Hindi dapat sila madala sa energy ng kalaban in a wrong way. They need to channel that intensity positively, stay composed, and make smart decisions as the pressure continues to rise. They've got the last 10 minutes to leave everything on the floor and prove who deserves that spot in the finals. Kaya tutok lamang dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, for that update from the Guangming College. And tamang-tama nga yung sinabi mo doon. Kailangan dito ng Guangming College na hindi magpapadala sa energy meron ng ACC Serpents. Kasi ACC Serpents, well known for having those momentum shifts. And talagang kapag nakuha nila yung kanilang pulso and their offensive capabilities, magiging dire-diretso yung kanilang scoring. And GMC now taking free throws. Tie game, 59-all for the fourth quarter. 7 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. ACC has the ball.
Now Benaobra on the outside. Hands to Galvez. Now John Nico Nagar gagawa ngayon ng diskarte. Sayang, a miscommunication here for the ACC Green Serpents, and it's a ball possession of the GMC Flying Dragons. This time, makinig naman tayo ng update on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. We have our courtside reporter, Famke. Famke, take it away.
Never let them know your next move. Yan ang pinatunayan ng ACC Green Serpents. Mga kaibigan, ito yung sinasabi nating magaling laban sa magaling. Talagang uhaw na uhaw ang Amando Cope College at Guangming College. Nahihirapan tayong alamin kung sinong team ang may oportunidad na sumalang sa Grand Finals at iuwi ang kampyonato. Pero para sa third quarter, ACC ang humihiyaw nito. Paalala naman ni Coach, they need to play the system and sustain kasi napaka-importante talaga ng consistency at ma-secure ang bawat points. Fourth quarter is coming their way. Sino ang nakatakdang maglaro sa Grand Finals? Stay tuned only here on the Second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament. Yan na muna ang update dito. Balik sa inyo, Jasper and Nino.
Thank you so much, Famke, for that update from the side of the ACC. And tulad nga ng sinabi mo, ACC, they need to be consistent on their momentum. And of course, get back to their system. Dapat dire-diretso dito yung kanilang ginagawang good plays and iwasan yung mga turnovers kasi doon nakakapagpundos yung GMC dito. And when it comes to fast break opportunities, GMC, they are converting it with the height advantage that they have. Easy lang yung pagpasok nila sa ilalim.
Yes, mahaba-haba pa yung oras natin for our fourth and final quarter. We still have 5 minutes and 52 seconds. Titingnan natin kung wow, what a pass. Pero wala nang napasahan doon itong si jersey number 15. And patuloy na yung pagpuntos dito ng ating GMC Flying Dragons, kaya agad namang mapapatawag dito ng timeout. Ito ang ating ACC Green Serpents. 67-61 is our score. Angat na po dito ng 6 na puntos. Ito ang ating GMC Flying Dragons. Well, titingnan natin kung ano yung gagawin ng ating ACC Green Serpents para matigilan yung kanilang pagdurugo dito, dahil kung nakikita natin talagang all-in na itong ating GMC Flying Dragons dun sa mga pinapakita nilang aksyon, dahil last quarter na, wala nang sunod nito unless magkaroon tayo ng overtime match.
And the ACC Serpents, nilalamig sila ngayon, not only for the offensive side but also the defense. Nakakalusot ng madali dito ng GMC and nagiging dire-diretso yung kanilang pagpuntos. Kailangan na din dito mag-adjust ng ACC Serpents kung anong defense ang pwede nilang gawin for the GMC. Despite having the height disadvantage, ACC, alam natin na kayang-kaya nila yan. They've been to many situations before na they were trailing pero nalalamangan pa rin nila ang kalaban until the end.
Yes.
So there's still a chance. 5 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Will the GMC continue to dominate this game in this fourth quarter, or will the ACC Serpents get their momentum, get their energy back, and continue to score for this game?
Yes, and of course, this live coverage is brought to you by Midnight Society, Summit Hotels and Resorts, Go Hotels, Comsor Ice Center, Glass House Beach Resort, Safeside Transport, Nelabahan Laundry Shop, Trian Bakery, Win Radio 107.9 Naga, Garden Cafe, El Chico Smokehouse, St. Jude Animal Bites Center, Carl's Catering, Warlin Catering, Paraprint Digital Printing Services, Zona Uno, Taste of Spice, and Danshahan Foods. Maraming salamat po sa ating napaka-generous na mga sponsors. Now back to the ball game. It's the ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Jersey number 14, Tukit Benaobra. On the outside, gagawa dito ng diskarte. Pero yung shot clock nila is 5 seconds na lang. So let's see, Galvez. No good on that shot by Galvez. But then offensive rebound, jersey number 14. Almost getting a 3 points play opportunity. Foul coming from jersey number 23 of the Flying Dragons. Five minutes and 10 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. No good yung first free throw dito ni jersey number 14 of the Green Serpents. And that second free throw was good. 67-62 is our score.
And itong ating mga two teams, hindi sila fan of getting those full court press or full court trap. Talagang half court inaabangan nila yung kalaban without man-to-man defense. GMC Flying Dragons, Darden, open 3-pointer, no good. 5-point lead for the GMC with 14 seconds on the shot clock.
Now, the same ball possession here. Flying Dragons ngayon. Baseline inbound by jersey number 19 to jersey number 13. Almost losing that ball. Basco for the 3-point shot. No good, but offensive rebound coming from jersey number 19, and that's good on the side of the Flying Dragons. Ako, patuloy na yung pag-angat nila dito ninyo. Lamang na sila dito ng 7 puntos. Titingnan natin kung ano yung sagot na papakita naman dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Benaobra to Galvez. And now, Underneath the basket, still no good.
Ang
Yung,
ganda sana ng footwork na ginawa
yes.
dun. Faking 3 defenders. Talagang
Yes.
nahalito sila kung saan papunta yung bola. Pero with that finishing, kinapos yung kanyang pulso for that shot.
But then, still, bola nila dito. Baseline inbound for Benaobra. John Nico Nagaro on the outside. 3 points! Napakagandang press naman nun.
Hindi tumama sa ring.
From
Diretso
John
na.
Nico Nagar. Now, jersey number 23 of the Flying Dragons. Didiretso ngayon. Maraming bantay. Maaagawan dito ni Nagar. Mahigpit na depensa na yung pinapakita dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents.
And Nagar taking it slow and steady
Yes.
for this offensive run.
Galvez. What a shot for Galvez. That's a 3 points.
Back to back.
Nothing but the net for Galvez.
Parehas sila ng position
Yes.
dito ni Nagar when it comes to taking the 3 points.
Yes, good screen din yung ginawa doon ni Nagar para buelo yung pagtira ng press nitong si Galvez. But then, matatawagan dito ng foul itong si jersey number 14 on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Nako, mainit na yung mga kamay ninyo nung mga players natin, both Flying Dragons and Green Serpents. Isa na lang yung hawak na kalamangan ngayon ng ating Flying Dragons. Now, 3-pointer naman coming from jersey number 61, and that's good.
Sagutan yung nagiging laban
Yes.
dito ng ating mga teams.
Talagang,
And dire-diretso 3-pointers.
All in na kung all in.
72 to 68, 4-point lead for the GMC.
Shot naman ngayon dito by Galvez on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Palitan lang ng puntos.
Ito yung magandang
Now,
laban. Sagutan kung sagutan.
Yes, all in kung all in nga ninyo. Now, Flying Dragons, jersey number 13. Now to jersey number 30. Gumagawa ng diskarte. Papasok na at ipapasok na ang bola.
Nakakabelo.
2 puntos naman para dito sa ating Flying Dragons. Anong sagot kaya yung gagawin ng ating Green Serpents? John Nico Nagar dun sa kanyang favorite spot. Galvez for 3. No good on that 3-pointer.
Contesting the rebound sana, and GMC successful on securing the rebound.
Yes. Parang nagdadahan-dahan na dito itong ating Guangming Flying Dragons. Now, Topacio. Didiretso ngayon, Topacio. But no good on that shot. Napakaganda, napakabelo niya sana doon. Now, Nico Nagar almost getting that 3-pointer. Mahaba pa yung oras. It's the last 2 minutes of our ball game. 4 na puntos na kalamangan ng ating Flying Dragons. Titingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga mangyayari with that 5-second shot clock of the Guangming College. Pero pasok pa din talaga. Napakagandang play yung pinapakita sa atin ng ating Guangming College Flying Dragons.
Grabe yung nagiging puntos dito ng ating 2 teams, and Guangming College having the lead and the momentum on their side. ACC Serpents kailangan lang maging maingat sa kanilang mga decision and their shot selection.
Yes.
Every situation and every mistake kailangan lang ma-check for
Yes.
this game.
Now, ACC Green Serpents. John Nico Nagaro on the outside. Anong gagawin dito? Dumiretso na. John Nico Nagar. Parang tinapon lang yung bola, pero calculated yan na yan ninyo.
Pag clutch moments talaga, ibinibigay nila kay Nagar yung bola.
The MVP, John Nico Nagar. Now, Guangming Flying Dragons. Anong gagawin nila dito? Jersey number 9 on the outside.
Look at that defense, very tight here for the ACC Serpents.
5 seconds on the shot clock. Grabe! Flying Dragons talaga tong Guangming natin.
Lumilipad using their
Lumilipad.
advantage.
Jersey number 30 for the Guangming College. Flying Dragons, and now ACC Green Serpents. Titingnan natin kung papakawalan nila yung venom nila
Beautiful
dito.
handles. Nabitawan yung bola, 54 seconds left for
John
this
Nico
game.
Nagar.
The rebound, foul called by a referee, is a chance to convert 2 points.
Yes.
Dito sa ating free throw line.
Nako, this is very crucial. 51 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth and final quarter, 78-72. Chance na gawin ni Galvez na 74 yung kanilang puntos, but then 4 na puntos pa rin yung hahabulin nila kung makakapasok yung 2 puntos nitong si Galvez.
They need these crucial points. Kahit piso kailangan
Yes.
ditong i-convert ng ACC.
Basket count dito para kay now kung sa labas ninyo mainit dito sa kung sa labas malamig dito sa loob,
Mainit dito sa
napakainit dito sa loob. Napakainit ng laban, and that 2 free throws by Galvez was good.
51 seconds remaining for the two teams.
Nako.
And 4 points kailangang habulin dito ng ACC. GMC has the ball possession. Kailangan higpitan dito ng ACC yung kanilang depensa, and the GMC, they need to secure every pass, every possession. Hindi dapat nila mabitawan yung bola because the Serpents will convert once they get the chance. Yun ang inbound play. GMC has the ball.
Now Flying Dragons, jersey number 8 Pareñas, and now to jersey number 30. Parang pinapatay nila dito ninyo yung oras. Napakagandang strategy. But then,
Alam nilang they have the upper hand, and
wow! Grabe, ang daming nangyayari ninyo. Jersey number 35.
free throw line.
Makakakuha dito ng 2 free throw. Let's take a look once again on our instant replay. Jersey number 35. Naku, nasabayan dito ni jersey number 5. Parang kinalambitayan niya itong si jersey number 35.
It was a good
Akinyede.
fall to prevent the GMC from getting the score. First free
That's
throw, no good.
That's a very crucial free throw for the Flying Dragons. 31 seconds remaining on our 4th and final quarter. Naku, hindi malabo ninyo na magkaroon tayo ng overtime match dito sa ating semifinals action. Now, Akinyede for his second free throw. Basket, and the timeout on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Ano kaya yung gagawin nila? Nako, the pressure is on their side, lalong-lalo na 31 seconds yung natitira for our 4th and final quarter, but then 5 puntos yung kailangan nilang habulin dito. Ano kayang diskarte, ano kayang game plan yung gagawin nila dito para makalusot dun sa 5 puntos na kailangan nilang mahabol?
ACC Serpents, kailangan nila ditong mag-pull off ng 3-pointers. 2 3-pointers if they want to get the lead. Once they get the possession, they should execute an offense na talagang magbibigay sa kanila ng magandang percentage when it comes to the shot. And the GMC, they need to watch out for the ACC Serpents when it comes to these clutch situations. Ito yung talagang best weapon nila. This of crucial moments, the GMC, they need to tighten up their defense kasi kapag hindi, makakapag-takas dito ang ACC Serpents.
Yes.
And pulling off 2 3-pointers. Let's see kung ano magiging plano ng ating teams dito. 74-79, GMC leading the game by 5 points. A lot can happen with 31 seconds remaining.
Yes, and of course, pasalamatan natin ninyo ang ating mga sponsors. We have 101 Mall, Lotus Blue Hotel, CBD Plaza Hotel, Ruffian's Tavern Bar and Lounge, TRDV, Brizuela Builders, CD Hoops, Stronghold Insurance Co. Incorporated, Soy Sari Malaysian and Thai Cafe, RC Food Stall, and Asauro Canteen. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta for Oragon Basketball League, lalong-lalo na dito sa ating second South Luzon Invitational basketball game or basketball tournament. Now, ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents with just 31 seconds remaining for our 4th and final quarter. This is very crucial for their team.
Pressure is on. Kailangan
Yes.
dito ng ACC Serpents makapagpasiguro ng kanilang shots.
Yes, John Nico Nagar for that sideline inbound. Napili niya dito si Galvez. Magandang play naman yon. And a 3-pointer for Galvez, but no good on that shot. Sayang yon. Ngayon parang napapadalas na yung fouls nitong ating Green Serpents. That is their 4th team foul, warning for penalty situation na sila dito. With jersey number 19 of the Flying Dragons. Ayan, at napatawag naman ng timeout dito itong ating GMC Flying Dragons. Mukhang gagawa rin sila ng diskarte para i-secure na nila ninyo yung kanilang momentum at i-claim na yung spot sa ating finals round mamayang hapon. Dito pa rin yan sa UNC Sports Palace. Siyempre kami pa rin po ang inyong makakasama, Oragon Basketball League and Oragon Sports TV, para sa ating championship game mamayang hapon.
And ngayon, humihirap na yung sitwasyon para sa ACC Serpents.
Yes.
Kanina kailangan nilang gumawa ng 2 3-pointers and now dumagdag na naman sa kanila isa pang problema. They need to have a steal dito sa inbound play ng GMC Dragons. A 5-point lead. A very difficult situation ACC is in. Both coaches planning out kung anong gagawin nila. These crucial moments.
Yes, titingnan natin at aabangan natin yan na ninyo. 20 seconds remaining for our 4th and final quarter. Still, the pressure is on the side of the Green Serpents. Now, jersey number 23 making that sideline inbound. Now, 23. Jersey number 30, Jamias, going outside. Almost making a backward violation doon. But then, matatawagan ng foul dito. Si jersey number 5. Well, kanina yung may hawak pala ng bola is Atias. Hamias on the side of the GMC Flying Dragons. Now, 12 seconds remaining. Pero 2 free throws yung ibibigay dito kay jersey number 23 of the Flying Dragons. Mukhang mahirap na challenge to for the Green Serpents. No good on that first shot by jersey number 23 of the Flying Dragons. 12 seconds ninyo yung natitira for our 4th and final quarter.
And a 5-point lead still for the GMC.
Yes, 5 pa rin yung kailangan nilang habulin dito. Pero wala yung 2 free throw dito ng ating Guangming College Flying Dragons. Timeout has been called on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Anong plano na naman kaya yung ibibigay nila dito?
They need to execute their plan properly. Lalo't na GM's leading the game by 5 points. Kailangan nila ditong 2 3-pointers or 5 points to extend this game to an overtime.
Ayan nga, kung kaya nila mag half court shot, mas mabuti. Para
nakatipid sa oras.
Yes, 12 seconds. Very crucial yung mangyayari dito sa dalawang team na to. Well, yung GMC, hindi rin sila pwede maging kampante pa rin dahil may oras pa rin eh. Kailangan pa rin nilang depensahan yung ACC Green Serpents.
Nangyari na to sa ilang laban na ng Serpents na they were put into this kind of situation and talagang nababawi nila with their clutch
yung
players.
Yung
forte.
Yan, forte ng team nila.
Kaya pati yung coach dito ng ACC Serpents, he is relaxed and tinitiwala niya yung kanyang players na kaya nila itong i-pull off. Pero let's see, GMC Flying Dragons, hindi biro yung kanilang kalaban.
Yes.
With that tight defense that they have, siguradong mahihirapan dito yung ACC na makapag-convert ng puntos.
Talagang magaling naman talaga tong GMC Flying Dragons. Lalong-lalo na malayo pa yung biniyahe nila. Talagang may papatunayan sila dito against the Green Serpents. Now, Pinaobra for that sideline inbound and foul ang nangyari dito kay Galvez. Oh my God. 10 seconds remaining. And 3 shots yung maibibigay dito kay Galvez. Let's take a look once again.
Talagang tinitipid
On
nila
our
yung
instant
oras.
replay.
Look at that.
Grabe, malinaw na malinaw naman sa ating instant replay.
Smart move ni Galvez dito.
Grabe.
Matitipid niyo yung oras. He can create 3 points with his free throws
Yes.
that he has. The game is on his hands.
Anything can happen, Galvez.
First free throw is good.
Wow.
Pati
4
ako.
na lang.
Kinakabahan para dito sa ating
Kahit
two
ako,
teams.
kahit
Sa
ako, partner.
GMC and ACC
Yes.
Serpents talagang mahigpit itong ating laban.
Napakahigpit. Now, Galvez for his second shot. Kung magawa to ni Galvez, well, 1 puntos na lang yung kailangan nilang habulin dito.
Grabe.
Para napapakal ka sa partner, ha?
Nakapangat ako sa upuan with... Grabe talaga yung nagiging intensity ng ating
Yes.
laban. GMC.
Sagad na yung intensity ngayon.
Ngayon ang
Napakaganda.
kailangan isipin ng Serpents is yung second chance. Paano nila makakapagkuha
Yes.
ng isa pang possession?
10 seconds. Let's see kung ano yung kamandag nitong Green Serpents natin.
Ayan na, box out play.
Galvez. Basket pa rin yan. 3 points must go down the side of the ACC Green Serpents courtesy
Ooh.
of Galvez. Nako,
A 2-point lead for the GMC.
2 puntos na lang yung kailangan nilang habulin dito.
Sure ako kinakabahan ngayon ng GMC Flying Dragons.
Yes, dahil alam nilang hindi basta-basta rin yung nakatapat nila dito sa ating semifinals round.
Tamang-tama yung sinabi natin kanina, Jasper.
Wow.
ACC is well known for their clutch moments like
Yes.
this. Kahit 17 seconds remaining on the shot clock, they can
Yes.
maximize it into 3 possessions.
Yes.
Grabe dito ang Serpents.
Grabe. Well, on the side of the Green Serpents, binaobra yung kanilang secret weapon dito dahil talagang sharpshooter itong si Binaobra, lalong-lalo na dun sa kanyang outside shooting, mga 3-point shooting niya. Pag nagawa ni Binaobra, they can win this game. But then it's the ball possession of the GMC Flying Dragons. Let's see kung papayag ba itong ating Flying Dragons na maagawan sila ng bola or kung paano nila uubusin yung 10 seconds since the shot clock is off. 10 seconds remaining. No place for errors dito. Both teams.
Kailangan dito makuha ng ACC ang steal. And GMC, they need to secure this possession.
Yes.
A change in their lineup. Small ball.
Titingnan natin. Ako,
Alam ko na ang plano dito ng GMC. Takbuhan ang magiging
takbuhan
gamot
yung laban dito.
iiwasan yung foul.
Nakakakaba talaga, partner. Talagang manlalamig ka kahit mainit yung laban. Now, sideline inbound for the GMC Flying Dragons. This is it, Pansit. Now, jersey number 9, foul.
8 seconds remaining and
Yes.
penalty situation ng ACC Serpents.
8 seconds. So, may chance dito itong ating
Ayan na
Green
yung mind
Serpents.
games.
Kung isa lang yung maipapasok nitong ating GMC Flying Dragons. Pero kung makapasok yung 2 tira nito ni jersey number 5, it will be a hard challenge for them.
You can see the players of ACC having conversations.
Parang alam na nila yung mangyayari. But let's see. 77-80, 3 points lead or 3-point lead. Hawak ngayon ng Flying Dragons. Pero may isang free throw pa itong si jersey number 9 of the Flying Dragons. Now,
Ayan
no
na.
good.
80-77,
Yes.
a 3-point lead for the GMC. Whistle was blown.
So we'll see. Okay, so nagkaroon tayo dito ng coaches challenge on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Mainit ang ating players and
Nako.
teams dito.
Dikit na dikit. Oh my God. 5 seconds remaining at 3 puntos na kalamangan ng ating Guangming College Flying Dragons. Nako, hindi talaga malabo ninyo na magkaroon tayo ng overtime match. Kakaroon pa tayo ng...
Kumukulit na ang players dito ng ACC.
Yes.
Their energy is getting high for this game.
Yes.
And,
Alam nila yung kaya nila eh.
In GMC, kailangan lang ditong pigilan kung anong ginagawa ng
Yes.
ACC Serpents.
Kung ano man yung binabalak, yung pinaplano dito ng Green Serpents.
80-77. Pati itong ating mga referees, tensionado.
Tensionado nga. For sure, yung mga viewers natin ninyo sa kanilang bahay, pinagpapawisan na rin
Oo.
kahit malamig yung panahon.
Natandaan ko lang, nakakatuwa yung ginawa dito ng players ng ACC Serpents. Talagang nakipag-usap sila dito sa nag-free throw sa Guangming College. And medyo nagala nga ito eh.
Yun nga eh.
The positive energy of the Serpents despite having the situation, a 3-point lead for the Guangming College.
Napakaigpit ng laban. So let's see kung ano yung decision ng ating officials. Holding foul lang yung naitawag ng ating officials, kaya walang penalty situation yung mangyayari dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents.
Ayan na.
But then sa kanilang ball possession nila, 5 seconds remaining. Ano kayang gagawin nila? Nako,
ACC Serpents may hawak
talagang
ngayon.
manlalamig ang lahat.
Bilog ang bola.
Yes. Say hello.
Nagar with 4 seconds remaining.
And that's the end of our fourth and final quarter. Congratulations, Guangming College. Flying Dragons, nako, hindi kinaya nung plano nila doon na si John Nico Nagar gagawa doon ng 3 points play, pero hindi umabot itong si John Nico Nagar doon sa kanilang plano, or hindi na isa katuparan yung kanilang game plan doon. But then, congratulations Guangming College Flying Dragons for being the winner for this game. Nako, makakatapat nila mamaya ang
NCF Tigers.
yes, NCF Tigers, yung makakatapat nila mamaya for our finals round mamayang hapon. And also congratulations to the ACC Green Serpents dahil napakagandang laban yung hinatid at binigay nila sa atin. Don't go away because later on we will know who is the best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation, but we refuse to accept that choice. At Naga College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive, from our dynamic programs in finance and business to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education in the arts. We cover the entire spectrum of tomorrow's workforce. Here, you don't just become future ready, you become a worker with empathy, a leader who understands that technology must serve humanity. Choose the college that prepares you not just for the job, but for the world. The future is here at NCF. Enroll at Naga College Foundation. Let us build a brighter, kinder tomorrow.
Lemon Residences, official residence of the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament.
Marahay na aldaw Amando Cope College, participant in the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament here in Naga City. Dagos po kamo hindi sa Lemon Residences.
February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace, with special exhibition game between WB Sofia and Oragon All-Stars. Get your tickets now.
Hey everyone! Welcome to NCF Basic Education Department, where we're not just learning,
We're changing the game. First stop, the library. Oh wait, this isn't your typical library.
Nope. Here at NCF, the library is a vibe, a space for collab, creativity, and discovery. Changing the game?
Absolutely. Now these are our science labs. We've got the junior high school bio lab, plus the physics, chem, and bio labs. And if Marvel needs their next genius, they can start here with us, the Tigers.
Because here, science isn't just taught, it's changing the game.
Tiger techies and creators. This is our playground, the computer and TLE labs.
Coding, designing, building. This is where Tigers turn ideas into reality. Another way we're changing the game.
Hungry? Our cafe's got everything to power our day.
And our comfort rooms, clean, safe, and Tiger-proof.
Small details, big impact. Another way we're changing the game. Us Tigers aren't just fierce inside.
The Flying Dragons have once again proven why they belong at the top. With a statement win this morning, they've officially booked a ticket to the finals, showing composure, discipline, and heart when it mattered most. Kaya naman with that, let's recognize the best player of the game, brought to you by GoldTrans BTS. The best player of the game is none other than jersey number 30, Joshua Hamias, with 18 points, 7 rebounds, and 1 steal. So first of all, congratulations for making it to the finals. Now, how does it feel now from elims until ngayong semifinals round? Your team hasn't tasted defeat yet. So with that, how does that undefeated streak affect your mindset to the court today?
Siguro for me lang yung nag-focus talaga kami sa game plan namin, and then palagi lang namin iniisip yung bawat isa, yung game plan, yung sistema ng team. Tapos dahil nga kami yung before na champion dito, malaking factor din yun, nakaboost din ng confidence namin sa mga veterano namin para i-guide yung mga rookie namin na bago ngayon sa Guangming na maging mature din sila sa kung paano maglaro ng basketball and sa buhay na rin.
Ayan, now that the team is finals bound, paano nyo dadalhin at i-apply yung learnings nyo from your previous games to the finals round?
Siguro malaking factor dito yung malayo yung biniyahe namin para makapag-compete dito sa Bicol. And then, so yun, humihingi lang kami ng mga support sa mga family namin, sa school, and sa mga staff ng school namin na palaging nandyan para supportahan kami.
Ayan, baka may gusto kang i-shoutout na family or supporters na nanonood sa ating live stream ngayon.
Sinashoutout ko po yung family ko sa Cavite, yung girlfriend ko, yung mga kaibigan ko sa Noveleta, and then yung mga lagi nakasuporta sa amin sa panonood ng mga kaibigan ko dyan, syempre yung school namin, and yung nagsusuporta sa school namin na Pogwangshan. Tapos yung sinashoutout ko rin po yung dalawang mami ko sa Guangming, si Ma'am Sharon at si Miss Mai.
Ayan, thank you so much. Once again, our best player of the game. That's it for our semifinals round. This has been your courtside correspondent, Casey Antioquia, reporting for Guangming Flying Dragons. We still have the finals game later at 3 p.m. between the GMC Flying Dragons and NCF Tigers. Kaya naman, tutok lamang dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
That's it mga Oragon for the game. The ACC Green Serpents and the Guangming Flying Dragons, talagang nagpakita sila ng magandang laban. From the first until the last quarter of our game, walang masyadong umagwat na team and talagang gitgitan, ending the game 80-77. Nahirapan dito yung ACC na makapagkamit ng panalo, and congratulations on Guangming for proceeding to the finals. Makakalaban nila mamaya dito lamang sa Oragon Sports TV ang NCF Tigers for the championship match. And once again, my name is Nino Mendoza, one of your commentators for this game.
And I am Jasper Abante. Maraming salamat din sa ating courtside reporters na nakasama. We have Famke and Casey. And of course, congratulations Guangming College, Flying Dragons, and of course ACC Green Serpents sa napakagandang laban. We will deliver more top-tier basketball actions only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.